How to fix mouse not working in Windows. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and hit your Windows button. So if you go up and click on Tab, so keep clicking until you're at this option and go down and then enter in Settings, and once you do that, this will pop up. So go ahead and where it's in Find a Setting, go ahead and type Device Manager and scroll down and press Enter. Click on Tab and then go down all the way down to Mice and Other Pointing Devices and hit the right arrow key. And then, so once you're here, go ahead and press Enter. And once you press Enter, click on Tab. So click on Tab and then go over to Driver. So click on Tab again, and then you'll have the option to update drive and disable and uninstall device. So what you want to do is where it says update driver, go ahead and press Enter on update driver. And if this doesn't work for you, what you can do is click Tab and go ahead and uninstall the device and then reinstall it. So that is how to fix mouse not working in Windows.